Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the Seagull Godin M4 Spruce Dulcimer. For this particular lesson you will need a fretboard laid out the same as this. I'll explain why in the actual video, but this is how to play in the key of B when you are tuned to G. As we are playing in the key of B, the most common chord we'll use is of course the B chord. This is located at the 2nd fret. Remember, this one nearest the tuning pegs is the nut 1, 2. So it's just behind that 2nd fret. That is your B chord. I play it like that. Some people play it like that. It's up to you, it really is your choice, whichever one you find easiest. So B chord, or that way, that way, or that way. So in the key of B, the first 4 bars are in B, so we'll strum them now. First, second, third, fourth. So to recap, the first 4 bars in the key of the 12-bar blues in the key of B is 4 bars of B, which we've just played. Next, you've got an E, which is at the 5th fret, which we've used in previous songs. So the next 2 bars are at the 5th fret. Then you slide back to the 2nd fret. So the B for Bravo is at the 2nd fret. The E for Echo is at the 5th. So if we were to play the first 8 bars in the key of B in the 12-bar blues, will be 4 bars of B. First, second, third, fourth, up to the 5th fret for the E. Back to B for 2 more bars. The final chord we need is F sharp. Now, due to the way this is spaced out the frets, we have an F sharp. The gap between these two here, on most dulcimers, or some I should say, there's another fret there, but we don't have that problem. So for the F sharp, you simply slide up to the 6th fret. So F for foxtrot, sharp, is at the 6th fret. So we've got 2nd fret, 5th fret, and 6th fret. Like I said, on some dulcimers there'll be another fret between them two. So we'll walk through that very slowly. So the B is at the 2nd, the E is at the 5th, and the F sharp is at the 6th. So again, B is at the 2nd, E is at the 5th, F sharp is at the 6th. Again, I will write all these down in the description below. So we'll now have a run through of the 12-bar blues. So in the key of B, there are 4 bars of B to start with. I'll just strum down for this one. Up to the 5th fret, E for 2 bars. Back to B for 2 bars. The 6th fret for foxtrot, sharp, 1 bar. Echo at the 5th, and Bravo at the 2nd. So to go for that again, we've got 4 bars of B at the 2nd fret. 2 bars of echo at the 5th fret, back to the 2nd fret, B for 2 bars. F sharp at the 6th, 1 bar. Echo at the 5th, 1 bar. Back to bravo at the 2nd fret for 2 bars. So with a bit of rhythm it can sound like this. Finish a song in the key of B, you play the B after you finish the last B chord, you go up to the 6th fret for the F sharp, then back to the B. So when you've finished your last B chord, you go B. So we'll do that last 4 bars. So it's a bar of F sharp, bar of E, 2 bars of B. And that's how you finish a song in the key of B. So, as you can see, we've just played in the key of B on this G-tuned dulcimer. In this short series of 5 videos, we've now covered 5 keys. There'll be more videos to follow in the following weeks. So I hope you've enjoyed this series. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School to be kept up to date with all the latest videos. To follow us on Twitter and Facebook, the links are down below. And of course you can check us out on our webpage. Until next time, take care, thank you for watching and goodbye.